Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into something we all need a little help with, managing our time. Whether you're juggling work, family, or just trying to remember what day it is, we've all been there, I've got the perfect solution for you, Google Calendar. It's free, it's powerful, and it might just become your new best friend. No more sticky notes on the fridge or trying to remember if your meeting is at 2 or 3 p.m. Let's make life simpler. First, let's open Google Calendar. You can find it by simply typing Google Calendar. Who would have guessed, right? Or you can find it in the app menu if you're already logged into your Google account. Now, let's open mine for October. This is the main interface. Pretty simple, right? On the left, you have your various calendars, and on the right, you have the actual calendar view. Don't worry if it seems overwhelming. We'll break it down. This is one of my favorite features. You can create multiple calendars for different parts of your life. Need a family calendar to keep track of soccer games, birthdays, and that dentist appointment you keep forgetting? Done. Want a meetings calendar for work, so you're not zooming in with pajama pants? Easy. You can even make a friends calendar for outings or staying in depending on the mood. Here's how you do it. Click the little plus sign next to Other Calendars. Select Create New Calendar. Give it a name. Projects. Content creation, or something fun like world domination. Just kidding. Unless you mean it, then go for it. I'm adding a friends calendar so I can organize hangouts without being the one who's always late. Choose your time zone, then hit Create Calendar. That's it. Now, let's add some events. You can either click on a day or time or use the Create button in the top left. I'm pretty sure I've scheduled dinner with my friend Mary on October 5th, and we've made our reservation at our favorite restaurant. I just type in the title, Dinner with Mary, the time, and we're good to go. Want to add details like a Zoom link or location? You can do that too. I'm typing in the restaurant address, so I'll have the map handy when I need it. Now, what's the point of a calendar if it doesn't remind you of things? Here's how you set up notifications. Open the event. Scroll down to Notifications. Set it to remind you 10 minutes, 30 minutes, or even a day before the event. You can even get an email reminder if you're like me and need all the reminders you can get. Want to share your calendar with someone? You can. It's great for coordinating with your spouse, colleagues, or even housemates. Just go to Settings, select the calendar you want to share, and click Share with Specific People. Then you can decide if they can only view it or make changes. Before we wrap up, here are a few quick tips to supercharge your Google Calendar experience. Use color coding for your calendars. It makes it easier to see what's work and what's fun at a glance. When you want to focus on just one area, like projects or family obligations, you can disable the other calendars so you only see what's relevant. Use recurring events. Why manually enter gym every Monday when you can set it once and forget it? My son has soccer every Tuesday and Thursday from 7:30 to 8:30. You can choose Custom to set specific times or use one of Google Calendar's default options. Sync it with your phone. Don't miss a thing, whether you're at the office or on the go. And that's it. I hope you're now ready to take control of your schedule and maybe even find some free time. Oh, imagine that! If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. And tell me in the comments, what's your favorite calendar hack? See you next time!